couple of people have asked me what's on my posts recently with manufacturing and factory automation, and what's the big deal with it. And a lot of times manufacturing, American manufacturing in particular, is still a juggernaut. um, it is amazing to how much they understand time is money, and many times in a normal office setting, a minute here, a minute there is not that big of a deal. But as far as lost time, actually, the average office worker loses 5 hours per week in lost time due to computer problems. In manufacturing, that's completely unacceptable. They fine tune this down to the second on many processes because they understand if you're repeating this process time and time again, it adds up. And you times that not just for one person, but for an entire assembly line, adds up tremendously. So that's why we get excited about manufacturing and helping them out, because they understand that time is money. We're starting to see that more in these businesses, that it's like a minute here, a minute there. They are starting to understand that time, we're having problems finding people. What can we do to get by more, do more with less people, or less resources as well, less money, less people as well. So making the most of what you can, so with what you have. So manufacturing is a big deal, is always enjoyable to work with. But as we get more into these offices, helping them shave off, a couple hours of lost time due to computer issues, and how to make them more streamlined in their process as well, because somebody from the outside coming looking and asking why. We've done Toyota production systems before, so we understand, the 5 Whys, 6 Sigma, all that good stuff, how to trim things down. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you all out. You have a good day. Thanks.